Hello there. Welcome back to BearishBulls channel. Let's talk about one of the fastest growing crypto in the market, Vechain. Vechain is gaining popularity as a dual crypto and logistics blockchain solution. Vechain cryptocurrency and blockchain is making a name for itself as an enterprise-focused supply chain and logistics blockchain solution. And now it is becoming quite popular. The cryptocurrency ended 2020 at 1.91 cents per VET. By the end of April 21st, Vechain token was at 22.81 cents. That represents a gain of 10.9 times in less than 4 months. What is going on here? If you want to know more, please make sure to subscribe to BearishBulls channel and smash that like button. Make sure to check the description below to get for free stocks valued up to $3,700 and for your weekly guide in investing in the stock market and real estate. Vechain. The main attraction that Vechain seems to have is its use as a supply and logistics blockchain. A number of large enterprises are now using it to ensure that inventory from start to sale can be accounted for. The Vechain Foundation has partnered with a number of large enterprises. One of the more progressive large companies using Vechain is a Norwegian company called DNV. It is the world's largest classification society, providing services for 13,175 vessels and mobile offshore units. According to Seeking Alpha, it has been an early adopter of blockchain logistics and used Vechain for this. Vechaininsider.com keeps an up-to-date list of the existing Vechain partnerships and large businesses around the world using Vechain as a blockchain solution. There are 5 companies that have strategic partnerships: DNV, PricewaterhouseCoopers, National Research Consulting Center, Yida China Holdings, and BitOcean, a crypto exchange. Other major companies looking into using Vechain include BMW, LVMH, and BYD. VTHO is generated by holding the VET token. There is a fixed number of 87 billion VET tokens, which generate VTHO daily at a rate of 0.00043 per VET token. This results in a fixed number of 37,584,000 VTHO tokens generated daily. Therefore, if you hold 10,000 VET tokens today costing 20 cents, or $228, you would receive for 0.3 to VTHO tokens worth 1.91 cents each, or 8.25 cents. But that is a daily rate. The total dividend received on an annualized basis is 8 cents x 365, or $30.11 annually. That works out to an annualized dividend yield of 1.32%. And remember, if the price of VTHO rises faster than the price of VET, the dividend yield will also rise. Moreover, the blockchain itself works on a proof of authority system. This is different from Bitcoin and its proof of work system, which basically rewards Bitcoin mining. And that is also different from the proof of stake system that Cardano and soon Ethereum will start to transition to using. Here is the simplest description of how the proof of authority system works. When VTHO is used, 70% of it is destroyed or burned, and the other 30% is retained by authority masternodes. These nodes are the only full nodes on the Vechain Thor blockchain that are authorized to validate and produce blocks. The benefits of the dual token system. The Vechain system is a dual token system with inflationary and deflationary forces. One recent article described it this way: the Vechain Thor network uses a primary token called VET. VET has a fixed supply. Holding VET generates the secondary token called VTHO. VTHO has a controlled inflation rate, as well as a deflation rate. VTHO burn during transaction. The monetary policy of the system is managed by a steering committee but is voted on by those who hold VET tokens. According to the article, this managed and deflationary policy ends up with a slightly inflationary supply of the VTHO tokens, which are used in transactions. The bottom line is the Vechain is gaining fame and uses a dual cryptocurrency that supplies logistics blockchain solutions for large businesses. Vechain Thor's latest strategic partner is causing a surge in VET prices, adding fuel to its bull run. Vechain price prediction. The Vechain price has not been left behind in the ongoing Bitcoin and altcoin support. The VET price has dropped to 16 cents, which is more than 40% below its all-time high of 27 cents. The currency's market cap has dropped to more than $10 billion and is the 17th largest digital currency in the world. What happened? The Vechain price tends to be closely tied to that of Bitcoin. Its price tends to surge when BTC rises, and vice versa. This is possibly because of the fact that most people invest in altcoins as a proxy for BTC. Furthermore, with $1,000 one can make more money investing in an altcoin like Vechain than a large digital currency like Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is not doing well today. The currency has dropped by more than 30% from its all-time high as worries about high interest rates remain. Also, the recent decision by Tesla to abandon the currency on mining concerns have had negative impacts on BTC. Worse, there is a possibility that the currency is considering exiting its investments in the currency. All these reasons could have a negative impact on Bitcoin and Vechain in extension. So, what's next for VET prices? Vechain price has declined as part of the ongoing sell-off in the crypto industry. Indeed, all major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin have all dropped by more than 10%. This is mostly because of a sharply worded statement by Chinese regulators, who are said to be considering putting more limits on crypto transactions. In the statement, they warned about the speculation and volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Also, there are concerns about interest rates in the United States. While the Fed has remained dovish, there is a possibility that members will be pressured to start tightening in the near term. So, what's next for VET? The daily chart is not looking good for the Vechain price. The chart shows that the VET price dropped to 14 cents during the April sell-off. This was an important level since it was slightly below the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. It then rebounded and reached a high of 25 cents. Now, the currency has been on a downward trend that has seen approach the 50% retracement again. Notably, it has already crossed the 50-day moving average. Therefore, in my view, it seems that there are now more sellers than buyers. As such, a longer period of weakness could continue if bears manage to move below the 50% retracement at 14 cents. However, another recovery rally above the 23.6% retracement at 21 cents will invalidate this trend. VET at inflection point, reversal may lead to 45% gain. A breakdown of 12 cents will invalidate the upswing narrative and result in a 9% downswing to 11 cents. Vechain price has been on an accelerated downtrend since May 7. However, its recent retest of the swing low formed on April 16 indicates hints of reversal. Vechain price at make or break. Vechain price has crashed roughly 40% since May 7 and is currently testing 15 cents. Breaching this support level will lead to a 10% downswing to the demand zone, extending from 12 cents to 14 cents. This area of interest was formed between April 10 and 12 and was crucial in building up pressure before rallying 127%. Hence, a dip into this zone will most likely result in a quick upswing. Therefore, investors can expect a 35% run up to 19 cents. If the buying pressure continues to build up, another 15% rally will push Vechain price to the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at 21 cents. Beyond this ceiling, VET could wick up to the supply zone that stretches from 23 cents to 26 cents. Investors should wait for a close above 14 cents and a retest, which serves as a confirmation of this uptrend. However, if Vechain price produces a decisive close below 12 cents, it will invalidate the bullish thesis. If such a scenario were to evolve, market participants could expect a 9% sell-off to 11 cents. Vechain price has been locked in a cumulative zone following an explosive surge in the middle of April. The consolidation phase seems to be part of a bull flag pattern developing on VET's daily chart. Slicing through the resistance trend line at 20 cents could see this cryptocurrency retest the recent all-time high or march to new record highs. Vechain price surged by over 100% during the first 2 weeks of April, creating a new all-time high at nearly 30 cents. VET has retraced by over 50% since then, and is currently trading at 16 cents. Now, the digital asset seems ready to resume its uptrend, as it tries to break out from a continuation pattern. Vechain price consolidates before the next leg up. Vechain price is forming lower highs and lower lows on the daily chart. Joining these pivot points using a trend line creates a flag, where the 200% upswing that preceded this act seems to have formed the flagpole. Such price action appears to have led to the formation of a bull flag pattern, which indicates that VET uptrend is expected to continue. A breakout above the flag's resistance trend line at 20 cents could increase the chances for a 68% upswing to surpass the recent all-time high of 30 cents and reach a new one of 36 cents. This target is measured by adding the length of the flagpole to the breakout point. If Vechain price manages to break through its all-time high and flips this level into support, VET could be driven towards nearly 70 cents, representing a 207% rally as calculated by the flagpole's height. Vechain price action must remain above the critical support zone at 14 cents to add credence to the optimistic outlook. Otherwise, the bears would win control. The downswing might result in further selling, pushing Vechain price towards 7 cents. This price acted as stiff resistance between March and April, suggesting that it may be a strong support zone in the event of a correction. Folks, if you want more insights like this, please make sure to check out the other videos under BearishBulls. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.